everyone, welcome back to Agape Love. Today I'm showing you how to make these cute crochet appliques, and trust me, you will finish each one in just 2 minutes. It's perfect for bag, top, hair clip, basically anything you want to decorate. So let's get started. Here I'm using 4.0 mm crochet hook and leftover yarn. So first we will start with a bow. For bow, let's make a slip knot. Now insert your hook into this knot and chain 3. 1, 2 and 3. Then into our first chain, insert your hook, pull up a loop and work one slip stitch. So this chain 3 will work as our magic ring. And now add chain 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And now let's do 3 treble crochet into this chain 3 magic ring. Yarn over twice, insert your hook into this chain 3 ring, pull up a loop. You have 4 loops on your hook. Now yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through middle 2, yarn over, pull through last 2. So this is our first treble crochet. Let's work on our second treble crochet. Yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Let's do our third treble crochet. Pull through 2, pull through 2, then pull through 2. After 3 treble crochets, again we will work chain 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now let's do a slip stitch into our chain 3 magic ring. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, work one slip stitch. So our one side of the bow is ready. You can see the shape. Let's do the same pattern to the other side with chain 4 and 3 treble crochet into our chain 3 magic ring. So this is our last treble crochet. Now we will work chain 4. And after 4 chains, work one slip stitch into our chain 3 magic ring and chain 1. And now pull a long loop, because these both ends will help us to make a middle part of the bow. Make it tight like this, then give it a good shape. And now we will work on the middle part. Just wrap both the ends around the middle part of the bow and keep it as tight as you can, because this will actually give a perfect shape to our bow. And then tie 2 knots on the back side of the bow to make it secure. Like this. And you can just directly cut the ends. Just give it a good shape. Let's cut the ends. So this bow is ready to use for your handbag, hair clip, or even for your sweaters. Okay, and now let's work on our second quick project, which is a cute butterfly. So let's make a cute butterfly like this. Again, I'm using the same yarn. So first we will make a magic ring. Hold the tail with your thumb and ring finger, then make a cross like this. Now insert your hook into these 2 loops, pull the second loop and turn the hook around and then chain 1. So our magic ring is ready. Now we will work into this magic ring. So first let's do chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. After chain 6, we will work 3 treble crochet. Yarn over twice, insert your hook into this ring, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. Let's work on our third treble crochet. Yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Our last treble crochet. Yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. And now we will work 1 double crochet. After 1 double crochet, let's do chain 2, and now 1 slip stitch. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, pull through the loop which is on your hook, and now let's do chain 2 for our lower part of the butterfly. Chain 2, then 1 double crochet into this magic ring, 1 treble crochet, yarn over twice, insert your hook, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Now after 1 double crochet and 1 treble crochet, now we will do chain 3. So chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and now slip stitch into our magic ring. So one side of the butterfly is ready. You can close a little bit of the magic ring. Now we will mirror the pattern. Chain 3, then 1 treble crochet, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and now 1 double crochet, pull through 2, pull through 2. Now chain 2, 1, 2, and slip stitch into our magic ring. And now chain 2, 1, 2. Now we will work 1 double crochet. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, and pull through 2, pull through 2, and now we will work 3 treble crochets. And after 3 treble crochet, we will work chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then work 1 slip stitch into our magic ring, and then chain 1, cut this off, and pull it tight. Close the magic ring, make it as tight as possible, and make it super tight. So our butterfly is ready. Just give the stitches a proper shape, give them a space, and yeah, our butterfly is ready. With this both two ends, we will make 2 knots to secure it. And then cut this extra tail. So our butterfly is ready. Give it a good shape, and you can see how cute and adorable this butterfly is looking. So our bow and butterfly is ready. And now let's work on our third quick project, which is flower. So first we will make a magic ring. The same process, make a cross, then insert your hook, pull up a loop, turn it around, then chain 1, and now we will work 10 single crochet into this ring. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, pull through 2. Now first single crochet. Like this we will work 10 single crochet into our magic ring. So our 10 single crochets are complete. Close the ring, then insert your hook into this first V to close our row 1. So insert your hook, then pull up a loop, pull through a loop which is on your hook, and now chain 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we will work 2 double crochet into our next stitch. So yarn over twice, insert your hook into our first V, and work 1 treble crochet. Again into the same stitch, work 2nd treble crochet. Now into our next stitch we will work 2 treble crochets, pull through 2, pull through 2, again into the same stitch, 1 more treble crochet, and now chain 3. We will work chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. The same stitch we will work 1 slip stitch. So this is our first petal. Let's do chain 3, then yarn over twice. Into our next stitch, work 2 treble crochets, and second treble crochet into our same stitch, and 2 treble crochet into our next stitch. Pull through 2, pull through 2, second treble crochet, pull through 2, pull through 2, then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch into our same stitch, and then chain 3, 1, 2, 3. So like this we will complete our row second of the petals to complete our flower. And every time I crochet a flower, it reminds me of something funny. Real flowers always die on me. Every plant I buy just silently gives up. So I make my own flowers, ones that don't die, don't need sunlight, and don't judge me for forgetting to water them. And honestly, these little crocheted ones feels more special. No matter how many I make, each one feels like a tiny piece of happiness in handmade blooms that last forever, right? Comment below your thoughts on this. So yeah, let's complete our flower. And let's do last slip stitch. And chain 1, pull the loop and cut this off and make it tight. And yeah, our flower is almost ready, but don't forget to make 2 knots to secure the both ends. And yeah, our flower is ready to use. Just cut this both extra ends, give it a good shape and space for each stitch to show up, and press a little bit like this. So yeah, our flower is ready. So these appliques are honestly the cutest to decorate tank tops, baby sweater, bookmarks, blankets, or even gift box. Let me know in the comments which one you want to follow tutorial for. And if you enjoyed this quick tutorial, hit like, subscribe and share it with someone who loves crochet. See you in the next video. Bye bye.